Hi friends, good evening. Hope you are doing good. Uh, Couple of things before we start. I had some issues with the laptop somehow when managing with this. If you remember, I had shared this view of Bank Nifty hitting 38 on Friday. I think I had mentioned Bank Nifty may hit 36 850 and then 40,000. Now we see market and post that I also mentioned that I'm expecting 38 840 or 900 levels in couple of maybe by expiry or maybe couple of days. Well, these are based on couple of analysis. We will also look at Nifty and Bank Nifty. Uh, if you see, Nifty has a very strong support at 17,000 as per open interest, huge put writing, but then we see there is a lot of resistances or call writing which is done. One is at 17,700 strong writers at 17,800, and the next support we can see at 17,500. So there can be a bit of a tug of war between these two tomorrow. So this is the Nifty chart. Tomorrow, I think, as I see this chart, we can see market try to move up. Then I think I has not sustained these levels, so we may see some move towards 17,700 levels or so, but then we can see the market moving down. And as per the open interest, we have 17,500 put raters and 17,700 call raters. So yeah, so we are somewhere at this. However, I can if Nifty sustains above 17,700 or 720, then we may see Nifty testing above 17,800 levels or so. We can go short maybe below 17,620. Our targets could be 17,570 and below which 17,525. So in the case of Bank Nifty, open interest seems to have some resistances at 39,800, 39,900, and there's a small put writers at 39,500 and slightly higher at 39,000. So if you see our views for tomorrow, we shared by around 5. Your Bank Nifty, this was the view earlier. We are also mentioned that we may expect 39,400 by tomorrow. And we may even see 38,840 in a couple of days. So in the case of Bank Nifty, I see this strong trend line, and then if this kind of breaks, I would probably look to short below 39,570 520 levels for a target of 39,300 or so, and below which we can expect 38,970 levels. Market of course can be also bullish, and we can look at longs above 39,780 or 800 levels for a target of 40,100 and slightly higher also. However, I will also share you uh, the pre-market bank nifty calls, so just stay tuned. And meanwhile, if you have any queries, please do ask on any particular stocks or any positions you are holding. We can definitely try and help you on that. So we would select probably 39,500 call, and 39 or maybe 40,000 put. So for tomorrow pre-market, I think 39,900 put. I think if this moves above 425, we can look to enter this. So you know the ground rules: buy if price moves from below, buy 39,800, sorry 900 P above 435 for a target of 520 and 560 or so. SL will be around 390, and as I mentioned, the call 39,500 looks good. If at all we will look to buy 39,500 all above 475, I think. Yeah, 470, 475 looks good. SL will be 425, 26. Target would be 560 to 600. And I was looking at stocks like Reliance. Reliance has definitely tried to move up today and stay at 22,594. For tomorrow, I think it may tend either to move down to 574 levels, or there is even a possibility that it can take support around 2580 levels and then subsequently move towards 2,620, 640 levels or so. Let's look at indices. I had mentioned to look at metals and FMCG and media. So I think still they seem to be doing good. Media is definitely very strong. I mean, metals definitely looks very strong for me. In fact, we can even look at infrastructure stocks, possibly real estate also. So real estate, yes, real estate are also possibilities that you can look at that. Uh, in the Nifty 50 stocks, I think I would look at Bharti Airtel. Uh, we can look at ICICI Bank. ICICI has given a good breakout. I think we should see 900 levels or so. And we can see Axis Bank. I think it may retrace and then bounce back to a 780 levels. Titan can be good to accumulate. Maybe we should wait for this to move down. I would suggest wait Titan for 2400, 450, 2500 levels, and then maybe we can start looking to buy this. But currently I see a down move. I'm sure many would be very keen on SBI. What I see is SBI can move or test 500 or 490 levels, so one can look at shorting SBI. Maybe you can buy in equity and write a call monthly or futures, and we can definitely see some good profit coming in. One may look to add Hindalco for a target of 480 levels. Tata Steel also is looking pretty good. Looks like a small consolidation. We can look to for a target of decent target of 118, 122 levels. So friends, if you do not have any queries, I would like to close here, and thank you so much for all your love, affection towards the channel, and happy profiting tomorrow.